Hi everyone, welcome to lecture number 28, which is Level Order Traversal. So this is the fourth type of traversal which we are going to discuss. So let's see what Level Order Traversal means. So let's say there is a node 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Okay. So what does level order traversal means? So this is considered to be level 0, this is considered to be level 1, and this is considered to be level 2, and this is considered to be level 3, right? So there are 4 levels. So how you should print? So what should be the output? 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So this is your level order traversal. So this is a 2D array, or you can simply print the level formatted by like a new line. You can consider that also, but for now let's consider only format dot print. Okay, so this is the first level print, this is second level print, third level print, and fourth level print. Okay, so this is what level order traversal is. So let's see how we can solve this problem. See, what we need is the first question. What we need to traverse this entire thing, right? We need first, let's consider an empty array with the root in it, which is 1. Okay, there is first node. Okay, now we'll make a recursive call here. Okay, the entire thing will be taken care by recursion, but what to do in recursion we need to take care. Let's say now this is 1. Okay, so now first what I'll do is, let's say this is a start, let's say this is a nodes array, this is a nodes, let's erase this, let's consider this as a nodes array. Okay, now from this array we'll traverse this entire array first. Okay, so we are traversing this, so we have only one node. Okay, so now we'll check if whether this left is not equals to nil and whether its right is not equals to nil. If they are not equals to nil, then we'll include in this array again. Okay, so that means we'll create a new array. So if left is not nil, which is right, which is not nil, so we'll include 2. We'll check for the right, it is not nil, so we'll simply move this into the new array. Okay, so now we'll print the 1 first. We have taken this, so we'll remove that. We'll create a new array which is 2, 3, which is left and right, and then we'll call the recursive function again. Okay, now we'll do the same, 2, 3. Whether first we'll print these 2. While traversing itself we can print, but consider it will print in a for loop. Okay, so now we'll consider 2, whether 2 has a left or 2 has a right. We'll check it. So yes, 2 has a left and 2 has a right. So we'll in a new array 4 and 5 will be included and 2 will be printed here, and it will go to the next for loop, and 3 it will check to the left, it will check to the right, and yes, it has both. 6, 7 will be included and your 3 will be printed here, right? This is the new array formed again. We'll traverse this, so it will keep on going. Let's say we reach the last nodes. Let's say this is the last section of nodes. At final state, what will be my nodes? Which is 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12, right? So now when we check these left and right, these left and right, these left and right, these left and right, and this left and right, we'll get nil. So that means our final array will be empty. So what is our base condition? So that means when we should stop our recursion, when our length of nodes will become 0, then we should simply return, right? This is our base condition. So this is how you make a recursive calls, right? I hope you got it. Like if you see the code, then you will get a better understanding of it. So let's jump into our coding session. So let's see how we can write code for level order traversal. So which we discussed previously, there is an argument which will pass as nodes. Initially we'll pass only the single root, right? So there will be only one variable here inside it, which is root, right? And if length of nodes is 0, then we'll simply return, and we'll declare a new nodes which will be an array, and now we will traverse these nodes which is present, like that means the current level will traverse all the current level nodes and will print the current node, and if node dot left is not equals to nil, then we'll include it in the new nodes. That means we need to traverse next right, and if the right is not nil, then we'll include it in the new nodes. And then last, to print that new line thing, we'll do a format.println and we'll call the recursive function again with these new nodes. So the current level is printed here, and the next level, next set of nodes are prepared here in these two calls, right? New nodes and new nodes, which are to the left and which are to the right. That's it. It's that simple, right? Hope you got it. Got any doubts or questions? Drop them in the comments and I'll do my best to reply them. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you liked it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next lecture. Until then, bye bye.